Hello, and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to quickly import Excel files into IBM SPSS Statistics. My name is Astrid Cook, and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So if you want to bring in data from Excel into SPSS, and you want to do this quickly without copying and pasting, just follow these steps. Once SPSS is open, start by going to the File menu, then select Import Data, then select Excel. Now this will bring up the Open Data dialog box. Now before you do anything else, go to Files of Type and just check and make sure that you select Excel. And you should see your Excel file there. This is the file that I want to bring in. When I click on it, it will appear in the file name box. I'll just click on Open. This brings up the Read Excel File dialog box, and here you have settings such as choosing the worksheet that you want, reading variable names from the first row of data, ignoring hidden rows and columns, and removing leading and trailing spaces. You can also preview your data before you bring it in. When you click OK, that will bring your data into SPSS. And now you're ready to analyze your data. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS Statistics. So I'm in IBM SPSS Statistics. And to get started, I'll go to the File menu. I'll select Import Data, and then Excel. So this brings up the Open Data window. I can browse to the folder. And then for files of type, ensure that you select Excel. Click on the file that you want. It will appear in the file name box, and click on Open. This opens the Read Excel file window. Select your worksheet. You can read variable names from the first row of data. You can determine the percentage of values that determine data type. You can ignore hidden rows and columns. And if you have string data, you can remove leading and trailing spaces. You can also preview your data. Once you're ready, click OK. And now your data has come into SPSS. Now we want to save our data. If you look at the file name, it says Untitled. So I'm going to go to the File menu, select Save As, give it a name. Save as type SPSS Statistics, a .sav file, and I'll click on Save. And now you can see the data file has the name that I want. It's .sav, it's an SPSS file, and now we're ready to analyze it. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can visit us at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.